Hey everybody, it's Kitty Cat. Now, the song that I'm going to be singing today, because today just feels like a song singing day. I've been singing all day. There wasn't really a reason for it, but whatever. I guess we found a good reason for it. Anywho, what I'm going to be singing is Hey Soul Sister by Train, which a lot of y'all must know, might know, probably know. I don't know. But I really like the song. And I don't know how well I know the song. So hopefully I know it. Oh my god, why does my eye suddenly itch so bad? Okay, so. Anywho, let's get the show on the road because life. I'm gonna be making one later with a Melanie Martinez song. Y'all should send me recommendations before I make it. Okay? Well, without further ado, let's hop in. Hey, hey, hey. Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. Knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. You sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew that we collided. You're the one I have decided who's one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 just in time. I'm so glad that you have one track mind like me. You should, we can't deny. I'm so obsessed. My heart is bound to beat my untrimmed chest. I believe in you like a virgin, you're Madonna, and I'm always gonna wanna blow your mind. Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio? Stereo, hey, where you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I didn't miss a single thing you do tonight. When she's the only drug I need, you're saying that I must have done. The only one I'm dreaming of, you see. Maybe myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I want the world to see you with me. Hey, soul sister, hey, the Mister on the radio. Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do. I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Okay, that was it. Tell me what you thought in the comments below. Um, if you like this video, click that little bitty thumbs up. Hell, smack the hell out of that because you love me. Slap it with your salmon. Anyhow, if you aren't already and you're watching this video right now, hurry up, click that subscribe button because everybody loves a subscriber. Everybody does. If you hit that subscribe button, you can become part of the kitten party and we'll have fun. All y'all kittens out there, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this video. I love y'all. Bye!